Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Woofz and Dogo. Woofz and Dogo are two popular dog training apps, but they offer different experiences depending on your needs as a pet parent. Woofz is a beginner-friendly app designed for quick results and daily training routines. It focuses on making training fun with short, guided lessons that cover obedience, tricks, and behavior correction. The app also includes progress tracking, daily tips, and even claiming sounds for anxious pups. It's great for new dog owners who want simple, structured help with basic training. Dogo, on the other hand, is a more advanced and interactive app. It offers over 100 commands, personalized training plans, and even a video exam feature where professional trainers review your dog's performance and provide feedback. It also has a built-in clicker, daily challenges, and a strong community aspects. Dogo is ideal for owners looking for a more in-depth training experience and direct access to trainers. So if you're just starting out and want something easy and motivating, Woofz is a solid choice. But if you're looking for personalized support and more serious training progress, Dogo gives you more depth and guidance. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.